Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The graph of ax positive by equals to 5 is shown in the xy plane above. Which of the following must be true? Okay, when I go over the answer choices, I have the values for A and B. Not exact values, that is whether A is positive or negative, B is positive or negative. Okay, now to solve this problem, what we can do is we can write the given linear equation in slope-intercept form. That is y equals to mx positive b, and here this m represents, the coefficient of x represents a slope, and the constant we have over here is the y-intercept or the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. Okay, now let me take the given equation, that is ax positive by equals to 5. Okay, now to write the equation over here in slope-intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b, we have to solve for y in terms of x. Okay, let me subtract ax from both sides. When I subtract ax from both sides, so here positive x, negative x will cancel out. I'm getting by on the left side. On the right side, I'm getting negative ax of positive 5. Okay, now let me divide each term of this equation by b to get rid of this b, which is multiplied by y over here. Let me divide each term by b. Then this b will cancel out. Then I'm getting y equals to negative a over b times x of positive 5 over b. Okay, now I got the given linear equation in slope-intercept form, that is in the form of y equals to mx positive b. At the place of m, what do we have over here? We have negative a over b, that is a slope. At the place of b, we have 5 over b, that is a y-coordinate at the y-intercept, or we can say it as a y-intercept. So therefore, the slope of the given line equals to negative a over b, and y-intercept, let me write the stuff over here. So y-intercept equals to 5 over b. Okay, when I look at the line we have over here, the line intersects y-axis on its positive side over here. Since the line intersects y-axis on its positive side, the y-intercept over here must be positive. That is, this 5 over b must be positive. If this 5 over b is positive, then what is the sign of this b? Already we know that this 5 is positive, then the value of this b also must be positive. So that when I divide a positive value by another positive value, this 5 over b will be positive. So that is, the b must be positive, so b has to be greater than 0. Okay, now let's come to the slope. When I look at the line we have over here, clearly it's a falling line. That is, when I look at the line from left side to right side, it's going down. So it's a falling line. Since it's a falling line, the slope must be negative. Okay, here that means the negative a over b must be negative. So this value has to be less than 0. In this negative a over b, already we know that the b is positive. Let me write it over here, negative a over positive. Okay, here what should be the value of a so that the slope is a negative? Then the a should be positive. Let me write over here, positive. Already we have a positive value in denominator, that's the value of b. Okay, here when I divide a positive value by another positive value, so the value of this fraction will be a positive value. When it is multiplied by this negative sign, the slope is negative. So clearly a is positive, that is a is greater than 0. Already we got the result b is greater than 0. So we get a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. We find this stuff exactly in answer choice D. So among the given answer choices, answer choice D, the stuff we have in answer choice D must be true. The correct answer choice for this question is D.